forces in motion at Crest Bowling Lane because we're learning about forces, push and pull. We were pushing light balls and heavy balls to see if one would go faster than the other. So I started with a heavy ball and it went slower, and the lighter ball went faster. Because I thought it had left way in the light, like stops it. Oh, one time I got a strike. Yeah, I knocked down all of them. When we won, we got high five. I had fun with my group. The fun part was just bowling with my friends. I just really like it. I love my friends and I love the bus and I just love everything about here. It's always gonna be amazing that you'll get to have a fun field study.